Well, messing with this 19, well, this is a truck bed. Actually, this truck bed is for a 1951 Ford. Well, actually, from 1951 to 52, they had this smooth truck bed on the side. The 1950 Ford truck that I have has like a groove right here. So I was very excited that I found this truck bed, but apparently it's not going to work. Well, it would work. Okay, let's take that back. It would work for my truck, but I really like the groove. I like the style of the truck bed for the I believe from 1948 to 1950. It was more decorative and more nicer. This one's just flat and plain. But I'm also doing this video also just for some educational purposes. And if anybody out there, and if you're near the LA area, you need a truck bed, hit me up on the comments or look me up on the Facebook machine, and you could find me and maybe we can negotiate this. I did put this on the marketplace and offer up because I did find the right truck bed near me in Northridge, and I would like to sell this one. I'm not even trying to make money off of any of this stuff. I mean, eventually it'd be cool to make money off of the internet and the video content, but that's far-fetched and few and far between since it's so flooded. But for your educational purposes, when you're looking for a truck bed, make sure you find the right one for your truck. But I did need this frame, so I'm glad I got this frame. I did feature this frame in one of my videos already, so I don't really need to exhaust that, but this should be very nice for mine, because mine, yeah, is pretty rough. And watch my other videos and you could hear the commentary and see what I'm talking about. But this is just a truck bed. It's not even really attached very well. It's not attached at all. I think there's only one bolt that's attached right here in the back. But this has all the pieces. This is an extra side for the side that's actually damaged. This one's got a really nice dent in it. And also the rust, there's rust on this too. I have tailgate, that's pretty gnarly, but again, there's so many people that want to do different things with their old classic truck, and there's no real rule. That's why I kind of like it, because there's no precision to it. I mean, there's precision, of course, with the engine and the brakes. You got to be really precise with that, or you're going to have a problem, and you don't want to have a problem when you're driving around in your classic truck. So you want to make sure everything operates, make sure you have the emergency brake, the brakes, the engine, I mean everything. I mean, really, it's probably, I'm stating the obvious, but just if you're really getting into this hobby of like classic vehicles, it could pay off and it could be rewarding, but it's a lot of trial and error. And I'm trying to share with you a lot of my trial and error, because when I was in the market looking for an old truck, I didn't make really good decisions. So now I'm like, I'm probably, if I saved and I kept track of every penny, I probably could have got a really good condition classic truck and be driving it instead of waiting to drive it. But then again, I want to have my own little touch to it and enjoy it for the most part, like just because I do like messing with the mechanical stuff and the decorative stuff and all that. But anyways, so let's just keep this in mind. From 48 to 50, it's more decorative, more, artsy in the truck bed and all that stuff. This one isn't so much, but yeah, there's a lot of different details to keep in mind. So it's going to be some work ahead of me. So like, subscribe, all that business, because I'm determined to get my truck on the road. Watch my other videos to get familiar with it, and hopefully there'll be more content uploaded sooner than later. But again, this is for 1951 through 52, maybe 56, maybe the up to like 57. I don't know. It could work. But again, when you're working on your classic vehicle, be sure to do your research before you go and drop money and find out that you're going to try to get your money back, and hopefully I could recover some of the cash that I loaded up.